I am I'm here from SDFC Live and we've been here from yesterday. We are on an outbound training and it is amazing. Yesterday we had some mind games, some planning games, and today we are into adventure sports. From morning we are doing adventure sports and we are just loving it a lot.
Have you learned something from it or it's only fun?
No, it is a lot of learning from here, but it is an observational learning. We've learned a lot from after every activity.
Observational or experiential?
Experiential learning and also observation from others. We've learned a lot from here. After every activity, we have one thing, at least a thing to take away from the activity. And we have more than one thing as well in many of the activities.
Okay. Do you think it is going to help you in your life?
Yes, a lot. Because here we know different type of people. We have known different type of things that should be done in corporate and that should not be done in corporate. So for everyone it will be really helpful to judge people and to work with our own spirits.
Okay. What is if I was to ask you for one great thing that you are taking away from here which you'll use in your personal life?
The greatest thing over here I would use in my personal life would be a discipline. Because before this we've not been so disciplined, getting up early, doing each and every activity, giving so much of passion for each and every activity and for the group. We've not done that before, but after this I think there should be some discipline in life and it energizes you. Not only that it is going to tire you or something, but it is energizing you.
Okay, what else? Yeah, what do you say? She's been saying something. Heard what she said?
Yes, she said there's a lot of experiential and fun learning that is taking place, because in classrooms what we generally do, we go through the books and learn from the experiences. What we are doing, we are actually experiencing everything, and it's imparting learning that we can have an action plan and we can actually impart in our day-to-day life, use in offices, workplaces, homes, and we can also ask our teammates, roommates, people in the family to pursue and continue. It's a great place to come, great place to learn.
Okay, Karan, what's your takeaway?
I would surely say that it's a lab between the mountains where you get to learn a lot. I mean, till now you have just taken a breath or something, but here you actually get to know that there's something inside you, there's a soul inside you.
Very good. Yesterday you said something very good. Can you repeat that? I was very happy with that.
I said, I've actually learned from here that there's nothing called a weakness. It's just that you haven't tried it or you've given your 100% yet.
Very good. That was a very good thing that you said, and I think we are taking it as a very nice quote. Yes, when you haven't tried it, you call it a weakness, but that's only a perceived weakness. It's not an actual weakness. Thank you very much.